AP Chemistry, Unit 3.12, Properties of Photons. When a photon is either absorbed or emitted by an atom or molecule, the energy is increased or decreased, respectively, by the amount equal to the energy of the photon. The wavelength of the electromagnetic wave is related to the frequency and the speed of light by the equation C is equal to lambda nu. The energy of the photon is related to the frequency of the electromagnetic wave through Planck's equation, E is equal to h nu. The equation C is equal to lambda nu. The C is equal to the speed of light, which is 2.998 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. Then we have lambda, which is our wavelength, which is measured in meters. And then our frequency, which is our nu, which is measured in hertz, otherwise known as per seconds. And then Planck's equation is E is equal to h nu, where E is equal to energy, which is measured in joules, and h is Planck's constant, which is 6.626 times 10 to the negative 34th joule seconds. And nu is still frequency, which is measured again in hertz or per seconds. The only other conversion that you will really need to know is the conversion between meters and nanometers, as visual light is represented utilizing nanometers, and so that conversion is 1 times 10 to the negative 9th meters is equal to 1 nanometer. So you can remember this by nano is 9, is how I ended up memorizing it when I needed to.